All of us just celebrated Children's Day. But when it comes to kids, they want yummy foods. But we want them to eat healthy food. But our healthy food might be boring for them. So let's check both the boxes with Chef Magic. Hello everyone, my name is Chef Jyoti and today I am going to make Savoury Potato Cheese Waffles. My Wonderchef app is connected to the Chef Magic. Go to the cloud recipe, click new recipe tab, and here's the recipe, Savoury Potato Cheese Waffles. Here's the description and the ingredients. So for Savoury Waffle, tray is ready. Now let's start cooking. According to the first step, we have to attach multifunction blade. It's already attached. I will add the ingredients. So potatoes and the seasoning, salt, pepper, and for the creaminess, milk. After adding milk, I'll add carrots and broccoli. Now vegetables are cooked properly. अब हम इसमें डालेंगे butter, some herbs of your choice. I am adding some mixed herbs. And for the spiciness, I am adding chili flakes. Now I will attach the butterfly whisk. Now as you can see, the filling of vegetable is properly done. I'll add some flour, mix of cheese, which is mozzarella, and cheddar, corn. Now this waffle mixture is ready. Now you can see the creamy, cheesiest waffle mixture. Now let's make the waffle. So I've kept the waffle maker for preheating. Also spray a little oil or butter on the surface. Take a spoonful of batter and place it in the center. Rotate this to the maximum and let it cook. This cheese waffle is getting ready. And the kids definitely gonna love this. But this is not it. We have another treat for them, a chocolate frappe. So let's make it. Waffle बन रहा है और मैंने jar को कर लिया है clean. अब हम बनाएंगे chocolate frappe. For that, I'll go to the cloud recipe and go to syrup and beverages. Click chocolate frappe and then click run. For the first step, I have to attach the multifunction blade. I've already attached it, and then I'll add coffee and some sugar. After the sugar and coffee is blended properly, we'll add ice cubes and chocolate syrup and click OK. This chocolate frappe is perfectly done. Now we'll serve this with warm savoury potato cheese waffle. Treat your kids with this yummy and healthy recipes and stay tuned for delicious recipes with Chef Magic.